Dear diary, how do I love thee? Let me count the ways. As a confessional writer myself, I love writing diary entries. They help me to make sense of things, but they also help me to remember them. So what I want to know is there a holy grail of diary writing? Simon Garfield is a man who'd know. He's a writer and a diary editor.
One has to believe that one's being told the truth by the diarist. It's the feeling that you're really tapping into someone's deepest life. You really need to feel that you're somehow invested in their diary and you've shared similar feelings as well.
So because Jean Lucy Pratt, reading the book that you've edited of her diary items, there's stuff there that resonates with me in the 21st century.
So this is from the 23rd of January 1941. I need a husband. Thousands of other lonely, frustrated females must be feeling the same way. Why should I think that I am to be any luckier? It's really interesting to look at historical diaries, and your diary as well, which is extraordinary, because you kind of think, well, actually, things haven't changed all that much.
Now look, let's get this straight. I clearly want a boyfriend. I imagine what it would be like to have a boyfriend about once every 15 minutes.
I think that's what's so interesting about diaries in general. You go on a quest. Essentially, I think you're looking for happiness.
So using the diary as a kind of way to get through things you're feeling is very important.
Yeah, I think there is a really therapeutic element to it.
But it's quite comforting to know that these are universal things that have gone on since the dawn of time.
And also I think you want to sort of look back on your life and think, actually, what did this amount to?
So if you're thinking of writing a diary, write from the heart, write as if no one's reading, but remember that one day this could be material for your memoir.